welcome to Curly Fitness 1980 and welcome to today's video. So based on the title today, you already know what we're going to be training. It's a total body HIIT workout. I mean, you're actually touching every single muscle group. I did this video last week, and the same day that I did the TC1 Sweet Gel review for you guys. If you haven't checked that video, I will post that video up here in the cards for you guys, so you can check the review on that. And also, I probably will link the video in the description box for you guys as well. So I just realized that my introduction for this week video was nowhere to be found because the twins had my camera and they must have deleted. So just got home getting my hair done, and then I'm like, wait, where's my introduction? So I'm like, okay, I gotta do a quick introduction for you guys. So today's video, like I said, we're gonna focus on the whole body. You don't even need any kind of weight at the gym to do this. Now, I would not be doing a voiceover, so you guys can actually follow along what I'm doing. On that note, guys, if you haven't subscribed to Curly Fitness Family, why not? Why not become a family? So please go ahead and subscribe. And for those of you who are already a subscriber to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you. And for the new subscribers, welcome. I will not disappoint you. I'm all about health and fitness, so if you enjoy this kind of video, please give them thumbs up. That will mean so much to me. So that even though this workout is gonna look very short, but to quietly honest with you guys, the whole workout literally takes me an hour and 30 minutes because I did 30 minutes workout. I did 30 minutes cardio and then go on the floor and train. And let me tell you, if you are gonna focus on these exercises and you're doing them 3 times each time, you are good to go. And this is one of the things you guys gonna realize with me. I don't train so many different body parts in one day. I focus on one thing and then that's it. But sometimes when your body got used to do the same thing over and over again, it's good to kind of like do a total body workout, like a HIIT cardio kind of workout that you're actually burning fat, building muscle mass, and so on and so forth. So definitely, if you're going to give this a try, please keep in mind, I want you to push it to your limit, to try it 3 times to each exercise. Let's go ahead and check my total body workout, and I hope you guys enjoy. As always, be you, be fit, be blessed. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye. This is just a warm-up, 30 minutes cardio using the Stairmaster.